Good morning, class 4. This is me, Nitish, your English teacher from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Navada. And today I am going to discuss about the first lecture video of is, am, are chapter number 15 of your English grammar. So, as we all know that without verb, we can't uh, we can't think about any single sentence without any verb. And we also know we have already learned in our previous lecture video and in chapter discussion that without any kind of verb we can't imagine, we can't think about even a single sentence, because each and every sentence is incomplete without verb. And we also know that we have different varieties and different forms of verb we have. They all have a different function in grammar. For example, some of verb is action word, like going, sleeping, run, write, eat, read, jump. These all are action word, and these all are also verb. Some verbs is some verbs are not a action word, but those are also verb. For example, I have a pen. That means I have a possession on pen, I have something. So have is here acting like verb, because the function of verb is not only to express any action only, but a person, a thing having something, and by which word you are expressing those statement that he has something, you have something. So that means have or has are acting like verb here, and this is called possessive verb. In the same way, is, am, are also used for asserting something, for telling something. Have you ever imagined that without is, am, are, can you tell something about yourself? Can you tell something about anything else, whatever you want to discuss and whatever you want to express before anyone else? Never, you can't, because is, am, are always very supportive, either in form of helping verb or in form of verb to be. Without is, am, are, without have, has, had, without was, were, without will, shall, you can't express your expression. If we have to use action word in expressing our action in the form of verb, so we have to also use a different types of verb like have, has, had, and is, mr for expressing our thought, for telling our a statement. So ism are always used for asserting something. It is also called verb to be. For example, when we say this is a fan, have you ever think that without is you can tell this a fan? You can't you can't tell like this, because is performing like to assert something here. Is always helping for asserting something, or is always helping to assert or to tell something. For example, you are going to Patna. You going to Patna, is it complete? Never, it cannot be, because are is a verb which assert about you that you are going to Patna. So in the same way, he is a boy. He a boy, we can't say he a boy. We always use is in form of verb. Those word which assert something or tell something, without those words we can't write even a single sentence. Those words are called verb to be. Is, am, are also the same thing. So without is, am, are you can't write anything else. Without will, shall, had, has, have, you can't. Do, does, these all are verb. Is, am, are is also a verb to be. Is, am, are always use for asserting or telling something. My name is, your class teacher is, are. So in same way, you can go through the chapter and find out the function of is and are in your day-to-day life. So okay, then why for watching. So bye bye, thank you.